KTM Philippines Updated Price List 2021. Disclaimer: store prices may vary. Price and specs stated here are meant as a guide for consumers and may not be accurate at all times. Paunawa, ang presyo at specs na makikita dito ay pawang guide lamang sa pagbili. Pwedeng magkaibang impormasyon na makikita dito at sa mga stores. RC200, 162,000. Duke 390, 240,000. RC390, 279,000. '65 SX, 310,000. '690 Duke, 475,000. '85 SX 19 of 16, 492,000. '85 SX 17 of 14, 492,000. '250 EXC-F, 510,000. Re-Ride 250F, 520,000. '350 EXC-F, 563,000. '500 EXC-F, 580,000. '350 SX-F, 590,000. '690 SMC-R, 610,000. '690 Enduro R, 665,000. '250 EXC TPI, 670,000. '450 SX-F, 720,000. '250 EXC TPI 6 days, 750,000. '300 EXC TPI, 760,000. '790 Duke, 820,000. '250 EXC-F 6 days, 909,000. '350 EXC-F 6 days, 928,000. '450 EXC-F 6 days, 942,000. '500 EXC-F 6 days, 982,000. 1090 Adventure R, 1.03 million. '1290 Super Duke GT, 1.25 million. '1290 Super Adventure R, 1.35 million. '1290 Super Adventure S, 1.39 million. .450 Rally, 1.45 million. Possible starting prices. Again, possible starting prices. 125SX, 492,000. 450 EXC-F, 500,000. 250 SX, 724,000. 150 SX, 370,000. 50 SX, 277,000. 300 EXC TPI 6 days, 760,000. 150 EXC TPI, 480,000.